Have you ever touched history? Not in a museum, behind glass, but something you can live with every day? I'm standing here with a piece that isn't just wood and nails. It's a ghost, a memory of a forest that no longer exists. This is the last dining table made from the wood of the silverwood elm. For centuries, the silverwood elm was the heart of the ancient Lyra forest. Its wood shimmered with a unique silvery grain, almost like moonlight was trapped within the timber. It was legendary, sought after by royalty and artisans for its ethereal beauty and incredible strength. But as cities expanded, the forests shrank. Despite desperate conservation efforts, the last silverwood elm fell over a century ago. The species was declared extinct. The world mourned the loss of its magic. But one master craftsman, Elias Vance, had a vision. He had spent his youth under the canopy of the Lyra forest and had managed to salvage a single, massive trunk from the very last fallen giant. For 50 years, that wood seasoned in his workshop. He didn't see it as just lumber. He saw it as the tree's final will and testament. He vowed to create one final masterpiece that would carry the soul of the forest forward. He poured his entire life, all his skill, all his love for the lost woods into this one piece. Look at the grain here. See how it flows like a river? Elias said it was the tree recounting its life story, the seasons it weathered, the birds that nested in its branches, the lovers who carved their initials into its bark. He didn't just build a table, he resurrected a legend. He passed away shortly after its completion, and his family has kept it safe, a silent guardian of a lost world, until now. Owning this table isn't about owning a piece of furniture. It's about becoming a custodian of a story that can never be told again. It's about preserving the memory of the silverwood elm for generations to come. This isn't just wood. It's a whisper from the past, a piece of a world we can only dream of now. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey. If you were as moved by this story as I am, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tales of extraordinary objects. See you in the next one.